In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo or an image to all your PowerPoint slides seamlessly. This is an essential skill, especially if you're looking to maintain a consistent look and feel across your presentation. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to PowerPoint for the web through Microsoft 365. This online version of PowerPoint offers all the tools you need without needing to install anything on your computer. Once you have loaded the web page, look for the option to create a blank presentation and select it. Starting fresh with a blank presentation allows us to focus on the tutorial without any previous formatting getting in the way. With the new presentation open, locate and click on the Design tab at the top of the screen. The Design tab is your gateway to customizing the overall look and feel of your slides. Next, within the Design tab, find the Background option. Clicking here will allow you to access various background settings, including our main focus today, inserting a logo. Now, under these background settings, you will see an Insert Picture option. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose a source for your image. A small window will appear with different options for uploading pictures to your presentation. Click on this device to locate and select the image that you have saved on your computer. This could be your company's logo, or any image that you want consistently displayed across all slides. After successfully uploading your image, you'll want to ensure that this logo or image appears on every slide. Head back to the background menu and look for the Apply to All option and click it. By doing this, the image we've inserted will be applied to the background of each slide automatically. Now, to ensure everything looks perfect, you might want to add some slides to see how the image displays throughout your presentation. Navigate to the New Slide button and click on it multiple times to add a few new slides. This will allow you to check that the logo or image is consistently placed and appears correctly on each new slide. And just like that, you've successfully added your image to all slides in your PowerPoint presentation. Keeping your presentations cohesive and branded is now just a few clicks away. Remember, using the online version of PowerPoint is a convenient option, allowing you to make quick updates and access your presentations from anywhere. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, and happy presenting!